Hello everyone, I am Dhanamma Jagli explaining about Google site creation with continuation to previous lecture. Today we'll discuss about how to start Google site creation for the professional purpose as well as personal purpose. Whenever we are thinking to create the websites by using Google Sites, we need to go to the google.com, then log in with Google account with the proper credentials. Once you are logged in, then on right hand side you can see the menu button, that is the dots. If you click on the dots, then we can see all the menus which can be available with the G Suite. From there we can select G Suite. From the G Suite we can select the sites. Once you are click on the sites button, then it takes you to this particular page. If you want to create your websites, there is a option is displayed, that is create button. There are two options. If you click on the create button, two options will be there. The first option for creating new sites, which is recommended for the users if you want to create completely new site, or if you want to use some existed templates, then we can select the second option, that is classic sites. So now for using the existed templates, we need to choose classic site option. Once you are selected classic sites, it takes you to the next page where all the templates of various categories are available. Here we can see some of the categories. Example: business collaboration, activities, events, schools and educations, clubs and organizations, personality and families, etc. If you want to create your website similar to these templates, then according to your requirements, you can select any one particular template which is already existed. Then the structure will be available by using this particular template. Then we can add all the contents to our websites as well as some images of our own according to the given structure. But if you want to create completely new sites which is not as for the given templates, then we need to click on create button. There again we can see the two options, that is in new sites, in classic site. For creating new sites without using any templates, we need to click on the first one, that is we need to choose the first one, that is in new sites. So when you are clicking on in new sites, that takes you to this particular page where we need to give the title to our websites, where we can see that is untitled site. There we need to type the name of the sites. We can choose according to our requirements. The title of the site can be given as for our requirements. Then once you are given the sites, below to that particular untitled site, even you can see enter the site name, where that is actually the name of the websites which we are going to create. So we can add name of the websites, that is nothing but the websites which we are creating, that completely represent by using that particular name. Now after adding the site name, now we can select the themes for backgrounds. Themes will provide the different colors. So depending on our wish, we can select the any color that can be appeared as a background color for that particular website. Here we can see the themes option which is displaying. There we need to click on the themes in order to select the particular background color. Once you have selected the background color, the background of this particular website will get changed. Now selecting the title or the header for the particular page. Now background is changed. Now we need to write the some particular name to this particular header, that is nothing but this particular page title. Here GR8 group is the title of this page. But even for our professional purpose or our personal purpose, if you want to use some images or some banners as a website cover pages or the banner, then we can upload some images as for our requirements for that particular websites. Again, there are two options are there. Upload all as well as select image can be done. Uploading, if the image is available from your system, directly we can upload. If image is existed in the G Suite, or that is either it may be in Google Sites or the Gmail, then we can select it from we can choose the select image. Here we are using the upload which is already available in my PC. So once you are uploaded that image, that can be selected as a banner for our websites. Again, there are three options are given: large banner, cover page or the banner. So as for the requirements, you can choose any one of that particular option. So here we are chosen as a banner. This, once you added the banner, the website will appear like this. The image will be appeared in the websites. That is banner for Google site. Now again, for the professional websites, if you want to add some logos, that option will be there on the title page. There we can click here to upload or select the logo. Again, for uploading logo, that should be available in our system, in our PC. Otherwise, we can select from the Google Drive. We can upload. Once uploaded, the image will be reflected as a logo on the title page. So this is nothing but the adding the headers to our websites. Finally, I'll explain about adding footers. Adding footer is nothing but the giving the description about our websites that can be written in the form of text. Here you can see, once you click on the add footer, there all these options we can see, that is how much, whether your font size should be the small or big, that you can write. You can give some descriptions, then you can display as the contents about the website. The description about the websites can be displayed in the footer. So in this website, in this Google site creation, we are discussed about how to use the templates, existed templates, how to create the new sites. Even we are discussed about how to add headers and footers. With continuation, the next will be explained. With continuation will be explained in the next lecture. Thank you for listening. Thank you all.